In this video, you will learn 11 plus vocabulary list. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to master 11 plus exam techniques to land in your dream grammar school, start right now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. The focus of public attention starts with L. In this picture, we can see someone holding a microphone and talking through it, so they're obviously going to get attention. So this means the word must be limelight. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is a piece of jewelry in the shape of a medal worn as a pendant. Starts with M. In this picture, we see a jewelry and it's a pendant which is in the shape of a medal. So this means the word must be medallion. Before we go on to the next one, let's recall the previous slide. And the previous slide is limelight. Let's go on to the next one. Grasp tightly starts with C. In this picture, we can see two people holding their hand very tightly. So this means the word must be clasp. Now let's recall the previous slide, and the previous slide is medallion. The next definition is look closely starts with P. In this picture, we can see two boys looking closely at their laptops. So this means the word is peer. Now let's recall the previous slide, which is clasp. Let's go on to the next one. Huge stock starts with S. In this picture, we can see loads of tins on a rack, so obviously it's huge stock. So this means the word must be stockpile. Let's recall the previous slide, which is peer. The next definition is gather together a large amount over a period of time. Starts with A. In this picture, we can see a group of football fans who are going to be there for a period of time. So this means the word is amass. Let's recall the previous slide, and it is stockpile. The next definition is a low continuous background noise. Starts with M. In this picture, we see an object emitting noise. So this means the word is going to be mumble. Let's recall the previous slide, which is amass. Next definition is shorten without losing the sense. Starts with A. In this picture, it says shorten without losing the sense. So this means the word is going to be abridge. And let's recall the previous slide, which is mumble. The next one is scrub or rub. Starts with S. In this picture, we can see someone scrubbing or rubbing the side of their pan. And the word is going to be scour. Let's recall the previous slide, which is abridge. Throw out in a sudden way starts with E. In this picture, we can see a plane that is throwing bombs in a sudden way. So this means the word is going to be eject. And let's recall the previous slide, which is scour. Now we're at the quiz, so it's quiz time, and be ready to answer in the comments below. The first question we have is a piece of jewelry in the shape of a medal worn as a pendant. Starts with M. In this picture, we see a jewelry and the pendant is obviously in the shape of a medal. And once again, write your answers in the comments below. The next question we have is look closely starts with P. In this picture, we can see two boys looking closely at their laptops. The next question is going to be a low continuous background noise. Starts with M. In this picture, we can see an object emitting noise. And once again, write your answers in the comments below. Let's move to the next question, which is going to be scrub or rub. Starts with S. In this picture, we can see someone cleaning the side of their pan. And once again, write your answers in the comments below. Now we're at the results, and here are the results. The first one is medallion. The second is peer. The third is mumble. And the fourth is scour. So well done for attempting the quiz, and I hope you got all right. Now to learn more on 11 plus vocab, click the video on the right, and to learn the previous type, click the video on the left. So take your pick. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.